Ever needed to effortlessly move files from your sleek Mac to a trusty Windows PC? Let's dive into the 3 easiest ways to transfer your documents, photos, and more. First, a USB drive. This is the simplest method. Grab your USB drive and insert it into your Mac Open Finder. And locate the files you want to transfer. Drag and drop them onto the USB drive. Safely eject the USB drive from the Mac by right-clicking the drive icon and selecting Eject Now. Plug the USB drive into your PC. Your files should be ready to be copied. Next up, cloud storage. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive make transferring files a breeze on your Mac. Upload the files to your chosen cloud service, then, on your Windows PC. Log into the same cloud account, browse your cloud storage, and download the files onto your PC. This method is ideal for larger files and lets you access them from anywhere. Finally, let's explore network sharing. Make sure both your Mac and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your Mac. You'll need to enable file sharing in System Preferences on your PC. You should then be able to access the shared folder. Look for your Mac's name in the network locations. Then transfer files without connecting a wire. With any of these 3 options, you can easily move your files between your machines.